Class 6, Chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination. Today, we are going to discuss about stereotypes. Before that, let's play a small game. Now, you know about the difference between boy and girl. So, I'm just going to ask the same thing. I will tell you the 3 points. You have to tell me I'm talking about a boy or I'm talking about a girl. Okay, let's begin. They are physically strong. They are naughty. They don't cry. So, what do you think? I'm talking about a girl or a boy? Okay, when I'm talking about they don't cry, it means I'm talking about girl or boy. Of course, boy. Because we always say boy that you're a boy, so don't cry. So this line is famous for the telling when if any child or any boy used to cry. The another, we never say that girls are strong. We always say that boys are physically strong. Then next, when we're talking about they are naughty, of course, we always say boys are naughty because girls are totally well behaved. They are soft spoken. So these are the opinion what we had made in our brain. Like girls are good in their household work, as like boys are not good in their household work. It's not like that. So this is the opinion what we had made while listening from others. So whatever the thinking we are listening from others, that all are just noted in our brain. So while seeing that same thing, we think that same. If some boys and girls they both are running, we will say that boy will win because we know that boys are physically strong. But might be another chance, might be that girl can win. So we never thought in the second hand side. We always think what is already thought by somebody else, and we make the same opinion for that same thing, for that same boy or for the same girl. As like in childhood days, if there is a toy, so from that days only that toys used to be differentiate between boys and girls. This is the toy of boys. If there is a doll, then that is the toy of girls. If there is any aeroplane or any rifle, it means that is a toy of boy. So these type of thinking what we had seen from childhood days, we used to think the same thing for the next child also. So that only we are going to discuss today. So whatever the thinking we make in our brain, just that thinking which were made by someone else in past, that known as stereotype. In a simple word, when we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. It can be anything. It can be good or it can be bad. For example, as we think that religion is not too good, or might be that type of people, those who are of this color, they are not good, or might be those who are staying in plain surface area, the people are much more lazy comparatively that people those who are staying in mountain areas, because that mountain people they do much more hard work for their livelihood, and those who are staying in plain surface their lives are much more easy. So these type of thinking what we had made, it can be differ. It can be that some people those who are in plain surface they are doing much more hard work, or might be some people those who are there in mountain areas, some people are there those who are lazy there also. So it can be differ. We can't make the same assume for each and every person. It can be differ from person to person. So stereotypes, it means what we make our imagination something that was made before by someone else, that is stereotype. These stereotypes stop us from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skills that are different from others. They fit large numbers of people into only one pattern or type. Stereotypes affect all of us as they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at. So, I hope so now this stereotype topic is clear for you. Thank you.